Biafra National Guard. No be small thing, no. They say they don't come outside for the people wey call themselves unknown gunmen and the people where they cover face for inside BiafraLand. Say that they fight for Biafra. No be small thing, no. He don also went ahead and thought say he say this year will be 2024. So anybody who want join them, may they come join them. And he say no be that one self. He say the way you go take deal with all the whole people where they sabotage, wey be like say they no want make Biafra come, but they pretend say that they do for Biafra thing. Oh my people, I beg I will play this video, may you watch. And before we come back and continue, yeah, my people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If it's not the first time you come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here they bring you updates back to back as it they hot. If you know say that today they come across this channel, may you try to give it a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Let's go and watch this video of Biafra National Guard, where they come talk say for inside this 2024, where would they like this? So they say that all the whole unknown government, the people where they disturb for inside Southeast, say they are fully out for them. We'll watch the video before we come back and proceed.
Greetings to everyone and happy, prosperous New Year to all Biafrans all over the world and lovers of freedom. All protocols observed. The year 2024 is here. As the Biafran provincial government, BPG, which is the government of the state of Biafra, consolidate on the progressiveness of our sovereignty, independence, and territorial integrity in the 31 provinces, including the national provincial capital of the state of Biafra, late Edda. Essentially, there is need to eradicate the scarcity of cash. There is absolutely need to eradicate the scarcity of cash so as to increase and maintain economic stability in our territories. That is realizable as the Biafran provincial government, BPG, which is the government of the state of Biafra, cooperatively works with the National Bank of Biafra NBB, for the reintroduction and circulation of the Biafran pounds and shilling. This is one Biafran pounds. You can see it. This is called Ego Igwe, one Biafran pounds. The official exchange rate of the Biafran pounds is 800 Nigerian naira, which is to say, this 1 pound is exactly 800 naira in Nigerian currency. Subsequently, there will be education and orientation. Subsequently, there will be education and orientation about the Biafran pounds and the shillings, its exchange procedures, security, and others by officials of the National Bank of Biafra, NBB, in the territories recaptured from the occupying Nigerian government. This is exercising our right as indigenes. This is exercising our right as indigenous people to autonomy or self-government in matters relating to our internal and local affairs, as well as ways and means for financing our autonomous functions as solemnly proclaimed in Article 4 of the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People, UNDRIP. Our right is also reaffirmed in Article 20 of Section 1 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. The Biafran Provincial Government, BPG, which is the government of the state of Biafra, the homeland government of Biafra, the government of Biafra, in our aim for inclusiveness, solicit for maximum of 20 persons, groups, agencies, and nations to pledge in funds through the following contact: official email, Biafran Provincial Government at gmail.com. Also, through these official X handles, Biafran Provincial Government, BPG, and also Real General Innocent Any Origin. The fund is enable the implementation of the National Bank of Biafra, NBB, and hasten the extension of maximum protection by establishing the existing government of Biafra in every lands, territories, and resources of the state of Biafra. The pledge funds will be duly documented and its utilization clearly visible in our lands and territories. Recall, the Jews of Israel were able to survive the Holocaust against them when in 1948, David Ben-Gurion established the state of Israel with the cooperation of other Jews. Despite their differences, despite their various denominations, despite their different calibers and personalities, all of them, they all come together to speak in one voice through their military that is capable of liberating them. They all contributed and also provide every other logistics needed for the men to go out there in the face of Israelites. Today, many of you are claiming to come from Israel and this and that, but they fought very, very hardly to redeem their state. Remember, despite their differences, who knows how many groups they have then? Yet, none of them said, I am of this, or I am of this group, or I am of this group. Therefore, this group is not going anywhere, or this and that. No! They all come together, reason as a brother. And that's why when they speak in one voice through their barrels of gun, and they definitely liberate and emancipate their people. And today, Israelite is now a sovereign nation of its own. Therefore, I, General Innocent Eni Oji, GCSB, the head of state of the Biafran provincial government, BPG, and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the state of Biafra, hereby call on the people of Biafra to disassociate their lands from the activities of those labeled as unknown gunmen. Whose intention is criminal, absolutely criminal, and impairs our collective development. Truth must be told. Yes, truth must be told. The unknown gunmen are terrorists, causing havoc to our indigenes and communities, engaging in kidnapping, killings, and violence to frustrate the well-being of the people of Biafra. A freedom fighter should be known by his own people. I mean, a pure freedom fighter should be known by his own people and should not be encouraged to cover their faces. They should not be encouraged to cover their faces, because it's only criminals that cover their faces. When you cover your faces, you can be tempted to go and do one atrocity or the other. You can do undoable because you feel that nobody can dictate you, or that nobody knows you. After all, your mask, therefore you can do anything. But remember, the Most High is watching. That's why I said a freedom fighter should be known by his own people and should not be encouraged to cover their faces, because their action encourages the infiltrators of Islamic Nigerian terrorists into our lands and territories. When you cover your face, you are giving room to all these Fulani herdsmen. Because when they cover their face, nobody can know if these people are Biafrans or can see to yourself. Okay, you can now imagine, look at what happens at Oper recently. How they came to one hotel at Oper, killed more than 10 Biafran citizens, people that they are claiming to protect. Underline that word, protect. It is very, very important that we protect our people, despite our stubbornness. Very, very important. Look at what people at Oper. A young man that was celebrating his birthday party at a hotel somewhere there in Oper. The so-called unknown gunmen came in searching for him along the line. They deleted 10 Biafran youths. Maybe all these 10 men, who knows, they might be contributing to the benefit of Biafra. They might be contributing at least to put food on their table. They might be contributing one way or the other to make sure that Biafra become a reality. And now, because of your selfish, useless interest, instead of you to protect your own, you begin to kill, to destroy. I really doubt if these people is truly Biafrans indeed. I doubt. That is why we Biafrans all over the world to rise up against all these unknown gunmen, so that we can be able to know what is happening in our territory. You can't just come and cover up yourself. Are you a masquerade? Enough of this. Stop killing our people that you are meant to protect. Look at how you are giving rooms to Nigerian terrorists to begin to invade and kill our people. And God will never forgive you people if you continue in this act. Imagine, 10 good life was wasted by these people. Is that how to make Biafra a reality? God forbid. But thank God anyway. I really thank God for the Biafran provincial government, which is the government of the state of Biafra. I know we work hard. There's no cause for alarm. Mora! Mora! Therefore, I employ every Biafran youth that is genuinely interested in the self-defense of Biafran sovereignty to join the Biafran army, Biafran Air Force, Biafran Navy, and Biafran Dictating Force. the official Facebook page of the Biafran National Guard, BNG. And finally, we, the Biafran Provincial Government, BPG, Government of the State of Biafra, prays and works. We pray always without ceasing, and we work harder and promise to work fervently in this year 2024 to bring forth to the people and state of Biafra mutual recognition and bilateral relations with responsible allies. Thanks and God bless us all. Long live the Biafran Provincial Government.
Long live the state of Biafra.
Long live the government of the state of Biafra.
Long live Biafran Provincial Government.
And long live the Biafran National Guard. Thank you and God bless.
Shut up! His Excellency, sir, Head of State of the State of Biafra Provincial Government, BPG, Government of the State of Biafra, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the State of Biafra, General Innocent N. Oji, at the end of your speech, may I have your competent permission to march guard to the various jurisdictions.
Permission granted.
Thank you, sir.
Carry on.
Hold up! Shut up! One hand, right and fight. Right and right. Turn. Guard! Guard! Carry! Thy kingdom come, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, thy kingdom come, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, thy kingdom come, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, 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 thy will.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, my people, I beg, may you drop your comment to let us know what you think for inside comment section, and make sure say you share the video as well. May you know maybe other people still they follow up and know what they go on. Make sure say you share the video and give the channel a follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel as you dey hot. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update.